how do we make actual change in the industry?
For the people that do want, or that start being like maybe they can't pay their bills, maybe they're like not making it, whatever it is that makes them so uncomfortable to be able to make a different decision for them or their businesses, then I think that there needs to be accessible information for them to be able to do that. Like they need to be able to reach out. And that's what we're trying to do, is to be able to have a easy go-to place for people to be able to, at any level, but especially at that level, to be able to help people. And I can say, like, I didn't start out in a brand new facility. Our shop, when we took it over, it was pretty much under. Other people had come out, like Dan's dad was almost 80 when we took over the shop, but he was still trying to run it like he did back in the day. So we had to dig ourselves out, and it wasn't Old Bay, and it was, there were things that were broke down, and there were things that, like, it was that environment. But at some point I had to figure out, like, we need to do better. We're going to go out.